Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Land Rover Range Rover SVR. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. The hood is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move around to the back of the SUV. The trunk and back bumper look really good. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door are in excellent condition. I do not see any dents or scratches. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No scratches on it, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and we're going to start off with the driver's seat. This seat looks perfect. I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. This door panel is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. This seat looks very good. I do not see any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel is perfect. Let's take a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything looks perfect. I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel buttons are in excellent condition, and also the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is perfect as well. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.